We've gotten a lot of emails and phone calls as to whether FM Touch allows you to call phone numbers from fields in your database. The answer is, of course you can. Here's a contacts database I've created. If you simply tap into the field with a phone number, FM Touch automatically will bring up SMS and the ability to dial a phone. So let's go back into the database, and you can also see that if I click on a field with a web address, I can instantly open up that website as well. I'm going to enter back into the database, and the reason I'm showing that I'm going back into the database this way, I wanted to show you that the databases are also password protected. We're using 128 to 256-bit encryption for the database. So now that we're back in the database, I can also click on an email address that will open up the email client, and you can see it says to and the address that was in the database. So that's very easy to use as well. Now, you can see this is also orientation locked, and that means that the database that you saw there, as I turned the phone, that it didn't switch to the horizontal layout. So let's go in and I'll show you how you can change the settings. So if you design a database that you want to just display vertically, you can set the orientation to vertical lock it, or if you have layouts that you want to go into horizontal view, you can do that as well. So under settings, I can choose both vertical and horizontal just by clicking on the button. I'll go ahead and select both here. So now that when I go back into the database and I rotate the phone, the image will go to both vertical and horizontal view. And here's vertical. As I rotate the phone, goes to horizontal and then back to vertical. So you can lock your layouts according to the way that you want them to appear on the iPhone. So FM Touch makes it extremely easy to manage your contacts.